Hey fam, hello from Finland. We are going to do a very real tour of our living situation here. But before anything else, please make sure you're already subscribed and you clicked on that bell button so you're always notified whenever I have new videos like this one. Okay, so we're currently living at Yoni's childhood home. So this is where he grew up. It is where he
prospered.
It is where he prospered, he was nurtured, he flourished. But yeah, so basically it's a 2-floor home. We're currently at the basement floor. So there's the ground floor where you enter, and this is the basement floor. And Yoni's parents were gracious enough to evacuate this space and to donate this space for our use. So yeah, so from the staircase, this is what greets you. It's the, I don't know what you call this. What do you call this house?
Fireplace
It's
room.
a fireplace, chill, sitch here. So I feel like this couch has been with them for so long.
Yeah.
As you can see from the color. No one really hangs out here actually. Like all the times that I've been here, I've never seen your family hang out here.
Dad watches games here.
Dad watches games here because there's a huge TV here. It's the bigger TV. Yoni and I rarely use this though because we feel like Sienna can hear from this area, so we don't really use the TV here. We also just hang out upstairs. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I nested because you guys all know that I love nesting, so I really had to nest. We're gonna be here for quite some time. We can't really be living off of our suitcases, so it's kailangan ma-nest. So yeah. So
Wow, look at this. You might know this from our office tour.
yes. So
Okay,
the
moving
cameraman
on.
is just taking over the show. But yeah, but that's a drawing by Yoni's mom, my mother-in-law. So yeah, so I decided that since this is the entertainment area, this is where I'll nest our gadgets. So I have here our tripods, my extra lens, our chargers that I'm using, my tripod case and everything else is there. Here, I usually work out in this area if it's not sunny outside, like if it's raining, so I would work out here. Those are Yoni's parents' workout stuff, so I haven't really explored them. I will explore them. But yeah, there's a fireplace here that I don't know how to work. My hubs probably know how to work this. There's like the wood and stuff. This is where I placed Yoni's shoes. Actually, it's where we showcase his shoes. Some of his shoes are already upstairs, which is why you don't see them here. But yeah, that's where I displayed them.
Displayed?
Yes. So it's easy for you to see. Hidden here are all our suitcases. So I hid them over here under the staircase. We have this spare clothing rack here. So this is where I instructed the hubs to put all of his used clothes that he doesn't really want to wash yet. He wants to wear them again. So just put them here so they're not in that area where all our new clothes are. So I told you guys, this is a very real tour of our living situation. I really didn't tidy anything up because I wanted you guys to see how we really are living. You know, none of that Instagram curated stuff. We're going for the reality stuff now. So yeah, we have this for our drying stuff. So every time we do our laundry, this is where we dry everything. Because we do a lot of laundry, mostly Sienna's because she's been puking and peeing and pooping and it's not a nice situation. So before I show you our bedroom and Sienna's room, this is where we store all our clothes, mine and Yoni's. So Yoni's parents know that I will be coming with some options. So they prepared this clothing rack especially for Kamsu. That is my nickname here. They like to make all the names with an SU, so Kamsu. So these are their stuff. So I don't know. It's a lot of Yoni's memorabilia. Which you guys have seen in the previous ones,
towels
right?
and stuff.
Oh, towels and stuff pala.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where I steal some of their towels. Okay. And then here is our bathroom. You'll see here again, we have another rack. So this is where all our towels are in Sienna's towel. And also Sienna's stuffed toy that we got from the plane. So nothing special here. It's just the bathroom. The washing area is also here. So we're currently washing some of our stuff. We have here a mesh bag where we put all our dirty laundry.
What kind of dirty laundry? Like what do you want to just wash the dirty laundry?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. But this is what's special about this. So Yoni's home is very much a traditional Finnish home. So as with all traditional Finnish homes, you cannot not have a sauna. So this is the sauna room here in the bathroom.
Dun dun dun.
So I haven't really experienced this because I'm not really into any saunas right now. But sorry, that noise is the laundry machine. But yeah, this thing that you saw there is the inflatable bathtub that I bought for Sienna because I knew that we didn't have any place for her to take a bath, so I got this inflatable bathtub so we could easily cleanse my kind, smart, and giving and helpful and respectful daughter. We're all about positive affirmations. Okay, so you've seen the bathroom. A little trivia though. I feel like a lot of the things here in this home was like renovated by your parents, no?
Some.
Was fixed by your parents because a lot of the Finns really like to fix their own stuff. Like when Yanni's sister had her new home, like they were doing the renovations themselves, like tile work and legit renovations. So yeah, I'm so jealous. I wish we could just build our own kokoro house. Hubs? Any chance?
Chip chip.
No. And then here we have more of my clothes. Like some of my folded clothes. So I just have them folded here.
Some of them.
Some of them. We have Sienna's clothes here, all the stuff that we have to wash. And
The
then
milk infused.
milk infused, poop infused, fart infused, pee infused. In short, lived in clothes. And then we have here her diaper bag that we bring with us every time we go out with Sienna. So this used to be Yanni's sister's room, right?
Yeah.
That has turned into sort of like an office.
I don't know. Yeah, well now it's an office.
Like now it's a home office for his parents, which is why you see like his parents are retired, but they still want to believe that they're semi-working, so they have like a home office here. So they have the monitors over here and stuff like that. So they have cleared some of the things here. So
just to illustrate the situation here, the home office situation, they tried to print out yesterday.
Yeah.
And nothing came out because the ink is dried up now.
Yeah, so they think they have a home office, but so yeah, so we have here our pack and play for Sienna. So we brought this all the way from the Philippines. It's from Reiko. So this was one of the debates that Yanni and I had when we were packing stuff for Sienna because it turned out to be like a lot of stuff already. So we were really like, do we really want to bring so much stuff? We're only 2 people and then we're carrying Sienna pa. Like, how are we going to bring all of this? And so Yanni was really fighting for a car seat and I was really fighting for a pack and play because I was saying that, you know what? Of course, when we're here in Finland, we could rent from his friends because some of his friends have like old cribs that they can rent out to us. But we're planning to also go to a different city. So when we go to a different city and we're staying in a hotel, let's say, we probably have to get like a cot from the hotel or like a crib from the hotel. And whenever I read these forums, they always say that they're nasty. Like they're really dirty. So even though I bring my own sheets, parang for my own peace of mind, I feel like it's just really, especially now that Sienna's in that exploring stage where she just basically wants to put everything in her mouth and see what they taste like and like whatever. So I really feel that a pack and play was so much more worth it to bring than a car seat. Because a car seat, Yanni can just rent from the car place. So yeah, so in the end, Mom won. So
Congratulations.
yes. Some of her towels are here, her blankets, her water absorbent pads that you put underneath. So yeah, this is her grooming station. The old office area is now her grooming station. I brought all her like emergency medicine, nasal aspirator, nail cutter, her brush, and also of course her beauty tools, her clips. That was handpicked by Yaye because I was so busy packing everything else. I said Yaye just picked cute clips for Sienna, so this was what she picked out. Of course, knowing Yaye, she didn't bring it. She didn't bring the crown. No crown was brought, but a star made the cut. I brought her thermometer, a night light, so when we do our night changes, and then we have here all the other stuff. Her hush machine. There you go. So this room didn't used to have a blackout curtain, I think. This was one of the things that Yanni's mom made for us before we flew here because now we were saying that we would need blackout curtains for Sienna to sleep in. Especially since we're starting to sleep train, we really wanted to make sure that the room is like really conducive for sleep, which is why a blackout curtain is important. So his mom saw this. I told you, the Finns do everything. Like they do everything themselves and it's amazing. On this area, on top of this bed, we have placed our changing station. It's not so ergonomic as felt by Yanni's back and also my back, but more of Yanni's back.
Do you want to demonstrate?
It is like this. We put Sienna like this. Like that, and then we're just always in this position. So imagine I am 5'7" and Yoni is 6'4". So his version of the bed is even more like this. So it is quite a dedication for us parents, but you know, love can find a way. Love will find a way. Love perseveres. So yeah, so this is one of the things that I brought with us. So it's just, again, easy to clean stuff, so we don't really dirty the changing pad right away. This was donated by Yoni's sister. So because Yoni's sister also has a baby who is 5 months older than us.
3
months older than us. So yeah, this is one of their extra diaper, like changing pads. So she sent this here for us to use. So yeah, as you can see, I am a Girl Scout, so I brought everything with us. We have cotton balls, the gauze, other stuff like creams, lotions, or like mosquito repellent that she doesn't need yet, but she might need. Cotton pads, water wipes, our diaper.
Do you want to show the actual diaper?
Can I just say, because
Okay,
to
that's
my
the
defense, it's because we already have so much of this size, and I'm so sure that by the time we go back to the Philippines, Sienna won't be able to use them anymore because her size will be bigger na. So sayang naman to, diba guys? Diba?
So we flew with few diapers
We flew
in tow.
It's so heavy, I can work out with it. So yeah, so it's in a vacuum pack naman. So we vacuum sealed it so that it doesn't take up so much space. It could still be a bit more compact. So yeah, and then this is Sienna's closet. Outside clothes, her sleeping clothes, some washcloth and bibs. I put them all in these packing boxes, so it's easy for me to just pack and organize over here. These are her thicker clothes, like her jackets for when we go on her walks. So yeah, and then we've got burr cloths, her hats, because you know, the hats are important. They complete the look. So yeah, I brought all of them. These were handpicked by her mama. Okay, and then we stole one of the work chairs. I'm sorry.
They might throw us out.
They might throw us out, but we stole one of their work chairs and placed it here instead, so that when we feed Sienna in the middle of the night, this is where we sit. Okay, so right beside the room is Yoni's parents' room, but they evacuated again. They wanted us to stay here, even though we insisted that we'll just stay somewhere else. They said, no, you must stay here. So we are now going to the love nest. No, just kidding. So this is Yoni's parents' room, which is now where we're staying. So this is our bed.
Wow.
Ta-da! We each have our own blankets. Since I told you guys I really wanted this to be a real vlog, not curated vlog, I didn't even tidy up my side table for you guys to see the real situation. So I need my hydrating station, which, you know, in other worlds, they might call it a vase
Or a night class of water.
a night class. So yeah, and then I stole the hand lotion from mommy. And then my clip, nursing cover, and then I have here in my zippies my pumps, because I pump at night when Sienna is sleeping, because she already sleeps like a full on like long stretches, so I have to pump at night. And this is our closets. No, just kidding. This is Yoni's parents' closets, but they did clear out half of this for us to use. So really quickly, poof. And then we've got our full length mirror over here to check out our outfits. Not seen. And then over here is basically just my station for me to fix up. This is what I brought with me for my hair. So I brought my air wrap with me, but not all the attachments. I only brought like this blow dryer and this round brush. And then I also brought my Coral, which is the Dyson hair straightener. And then over here, all the different Sunnies that I brought. These are not all Sunny Studios. I just used the Sunny Studios cases. But I brought a bunch of different ones. Just the cheap ones because I don't want to lose any of my expensive ones. Pero, dinala ko yung Chanel. So I brought my Chanel necklaces with me. There's 2 necklaces over here. Just some casual stuff. Again,
Everyday grocery stuff.
Yeah, everyday grocery, outdoor market type of pearls, exactly. And then we have here all my hair accessories that I brought with me, again in one of my reusable Ziplocs or pouches. My Kerastase, of course, some dry shampoo, some thickening hairspray, a leave-in treatment, some manicure pedicure set for me and the hubs whenever I clean our nails, because I am a budding posh nails technician. And then we have here naman my makeup area. So this is where I put on my makeup because this is where the window is. So I like to face the window when I do my makeup. So I didn't really bring much. So I have here like my brush set and then all these like small stuff. And then this is just the palette that I brought with me. That was Yoni's gift to me for Christmas 2019, thinking that we were still gonna be our old, jet-setting couple. So it was something that I really, really wanted, and I told Yoni, you know what, for this Christmas, let's just give each other something that's not so expensive naman. So I told him, this is what I want. So it's this set where you can easily mix and match your own palette. So these are all my own stuff that I wanted to use. Well, I'm not really a good depotter, so I've murdered some of them. But because I did this on the day of our flight, so of course, I was in a hurry. And then, the reason why I love this is because you can rotate the mirror, like so, and then like do these, and then it lights up.
Wow, I'm beautiful in the mirror.
And lights up again.
Wow.
So whenever I do my makeup, I could just do. So yeah. So excited to use this. I finally get to use it after more than a year. And then we'll show you the outside world as well. So this is our own little nook here. I have all my gym stuff here. So I bought this mat and it's really nice because it's super duper thick. I bought this from a local mall here in Tampere. Yoni's mom actually has a workout mat as well, but it's a bit too short and a bit too thin for me. So that's why I bought this. And I plan to just leave it here for next time use since we're gonna be coming back here all the time anyways. I have my tripod here with me. And then again, as I've mentioned, my workout stuff. So I just brought these like easy and very light stuff that I can bring around with me and easily portable. So they're not taking up so much space in my luggage. So a lot of these different bands and also some sliders over here. So yeah. I don't usually work out whenever we're abroad, but because we're staying here for such a long time, I really wanted to keep working out, especially because I'm nearing my 6-month mark where I get to work out my core. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these also. So this is our cleansing station. We brought a lot of masks. This is my booby massager for when I have clogs. And then we also have like a quick spray baby bottle cleaners for when we are too lazy to clean upstairs. We get to clean it quickly here before we do the major cleaning. Okay, so here we are. There is a balcony also from this bedroom. Ta-da!
A balcony?
Welcome! Not balcony, I mean veranda. So this is my favorite area here, which surprisingly, Yoni's family doesn't really use as much now. Because although it is summer, it is kind of cold already-ish. It's like around 14 degrees, 9 degrees real feel. This is where I usually work out. So you'll see me on this space by the swing. So I'll set up my mat here, put my laptop here, and this is where I would work out because I like working out outdoors and I like it kind of breezy because even though I'm the tropical girl, I'm the one who enjoys this weather, so I like working out here. So yeah, it's a really nice garden. These are all planted by Yoni's parents and they're amazing. So lush and so nice. So that's it for our quick tour around our new home here in Finland. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. Again, we're doing twice a week vlogs now because, meron akong mabavlog aside from my home life. So if you guys have any suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the comments below. If we pick your suggestion, we will be crediting you and giving you a shout out on our next vlog. See you guys next. I don't know when this is gonna come out, but see you guys on the next one. Yeah.